Good afternoon. I'm Hayden Young, a junior from McAlester High School and a first-year East student. I'm very excited to present with Jessica today some of the East projects that we've worked on over the past year. One of the projects that we've worked on is a $10,000 giveaway. Our goal was to assist the McAlester $10,000 giveaway committee with their technology needs. The project originated when the city of McAlester had a last-minute need for putting up and delivering posters for our annual $10,000 cash giveaway. They were getting a lot of bad publicity about people not being able to hear the ticket numbers that were being called. After we did some critical thinking, we met back with her and suggested we provided sound, also live stream the event and use OBS to run a line with the ticket number on it at the bottom of the live stream. We also just suggested to her a live stream the day before the event to test things out so she could promote the event. We had a few challenges. The night of the drawing downtown, we had microphone problems, and at first we didn't know how to stream the event, but in the end it all came together. We were happy by the fact that we had the resources to come through for the city and the event. The materials used were high gloss poster paper, Photoshop, HP DesignJet printer, Fender sound system, a soundboard, a wireless lapel mic, a router, OBS, a Facebook account, a Dell laptop, and a marker board. We went to the location 3 days before the event to test the Wi-Fi that they were providing, but decided it would not be reliable enough since it was open to the public. We contacted Vive and they agreed to drop a dedicated high-speed line for us to eliminate the possibility of a drop signal. The project took 2 weeks, and the first week for the posters and the last 2 on the drawing, and it was a very successful project.
Good morning, my name is Jessica Sinnott and I am a junior at Indianola High School and a first-year East student. I'm going to talk to you about the new class wrestling organization New Beginnings project. This project originated when the owners of NCWO requested assistance with a few vinyl signs for the event that they were planning. Once we met them and they realized what the East program was and what we could do, we ended up designing and printing tickets and flyers, taking event pictures, videos, and aerial shots with the drones, designing and printing 12 vinyl banners. One of the challenges we faced was the detail on some of the banners. As you can see in the slideshow, there are several banners that require more than one color of vinyl. And because our GraphTech machine only prints single color, we had to print out multiple colors and layer the vinyl to create the final image. We used Photoshop for the flyers and tickets, GraphTech Studio and printer to create and print the vinyl, and Canon cameras and video recorders for the pictures and video footage, and Telodrones for the aerial pictures. We knew about the project for months in advance and worked on the banners for a few weeks before the fight. On the week leading up to the event, we started testing the drones and cameras to ensure that they would be successful. Our project was very successful. Our clients were very pleased with the outcome and even said that people were commenting on how professional we were. This project was so intense and had so many areas, so we had several East students involved, which really increased our communication skills. We want people outside of East to know that we love challenging projects and the critical thinking and teamwork required to complete them. Another project we had was the new Kiamichi Tech branding project. The goal was to remove all of the old vinyl branding and replace it with the new. We did this on all of the school vehicles and throughout the campus. Our biggest challenge was making sure it was level and centered, which required a lot of problem solving because everyone had their own way of achieving the final product. Vehicles and office windows looked great and our client was really pleased. GraphTech Studio, GraphTech printer, white vinyl, weeders, and squeegees were the materials we used for this project. We had to test the use of water beforehand to make sure it was not too wet and that the area was clean before we started the process. We had to start over a few times, but finally adjusted to what was needed. Our project was completed in about 7 to 10 days because we had a few days of bad weather. This project was a huge success and we had some good compliments from staff and other students. I have made new friends in our East program by being involved in several projects. We were responsible for preparing these projects and meeting deadlines. Sometimes things don't go as smooth as planned. We learn to persevere and complete the tasks. I want people to know when East students run into problems with projects, we work as a team to solve those problems. We work well together and truly enjoy working together.
Another project that we worked on was the Keep McAlester Beautiful project. The goal was to ensure that Keep McAlester Beautiful was able to have their yearly awards banquet. The project originated because of the executive director of Keep McAlester Beautiful was not able to have their yearly banquet where they recognized different participants for their contributions. Because of COVID, they were forced to have a virtual banquet and did not have the technology or the knowledge to organize this event. The challenge was the time frame. We had to put it all together, but teamwork made the dream work. The East program agreed to set up a Zoom conference and broadcast it from the East classroom. We designed a poster of their sponsors using Photoshop and an HP Design Jet printer for the backdrop, iMovie to arrange the award footage, a webcam, a laptop, and a 60-inch TV as a teleprompter. We had to test our software and connection several times before showtime to make sure it was running correctly. We had 2 days notice to prepare the recorded award footage together and set everything up, and the actual event took 1 hour. The project was a great success and the executive director was happy with the end result. Students involved have gained more confidence and have even made new friends. We want people to know that with the right people and the right software, you can accomplish anything, and the East program has those tools.
One of the projects we had was the Teacher Prep Early Care Education Banner Project. Our goal was to design a banner for the Kiamichi Tech TPEC program. The project originated when the teacher prep instructor asked for a banner to display all of the courses available through her program. We had a few challenges, such as getting the measurements right and editing the banner. Also, it was a little difficult getting the banner placed correctly on the stand. The inspiration was seeing the banner completed and knowing the teacher was pleased with the outcome of the project. Google Slides were used to design and brand the banner, Photoshop was used to design the banner, HP Design Jet printer to print out the banner on white high-gloss paper. The project was completed in a couple of weeks, and it took a while to edit and balance the wording and branding on the banner. The project was successful, and many people liked and complimented it. We want people to know that East puts a lot of hard work into their projects, and they love doing it for their clients.